All right, so I'm going to log into my account. Okay, so this is what it looks like logged in. As you can see, it has my first name, last name, and my email address, and the password and the client level are off of there. And when I hit here, if I just hit this, it'll say there is an error updating your account, but I can update my account like this and it'll take it back to here. And then I'm going to actually change that back. And then I'm going to make a new password. Oops. Oh, it doesn't have a special character. Let's see. And then as soon as I log out, I can log back in with that new password. Oops. And that was logged in with the new password. Now I'm going to log in with my admin account. And I never remember the password, so really quick. Oops. Just log back in here really quick so I can see that password because I can't remember it. Nope. Why is it not logging in? All right, this should log in. There we go. So as you can see, I'm logged in as administration. I can update my account or manage my inventory. So if I hit modify, there's all of these things. And then I'm going to change this back to metal. Hit update product, and it will change it. Then if I hit modify again, you can see that it is in fact been updated. If I hit just update, it says error, Acme was not updated. Then if I go back to here, oh, I already showed you that. And then I can validate everything, and it's all valid. CSS and HTML. So there's warnings, but everything is valid. And then the same with the CSS. No errors found. So that's everything. Thanks. Bye.